Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily add the zoom effects to an object in a video only by using the CapCut effect. So here I'm going to use the zoom effects to zoom in on the car in the video. So what you need to do is just go to effects, click on the video effects. Now find the lens category and then select the zoom lens effect. So scroll down until you found the zoom lens. Okay, this one, click on that, and here don't forget to adjust, so you can adjust the speed and the range. I'm going to make it like this. Click on a check icon, don't forget to adjust the length, and you are done, and this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.